Hi, I'm Sandy Hefftz and I'm the Avionics Team Leader in SpaceIL. Avionics is all about the mission computer and payload computer. The mission computer is responsible getting all the information from different sensors, for example Star Tracker or IMU, which checks which is the vector that we're moving on now, and calculate our way to the moon. The mission computer is also responsible on the landing to see if the landing site is good and if there's any rocks in there. I'm also responsible for the payload computer. The payload computer is responsible for all the imaging within the spacecraft. It takes pictures and make HD compression in order to send it from the moon to the Earth. I think space is one of the mysteries. If we look back at space computers that were till now in space, they're 10 years older than the technology we're using now. One of the main reasons is that it's all done by government organizations. So I think in a way SpaceIL and the Google Lunar X Prize gives the engineers of tomorrow working with new technology and bring it to space. We can really make a change. SpaceIL's main achievement will be education. We're working hard, not only developing the next space technology, we're working hard also to get to every child in Israel and explain why it's so important not to be a reality star and to be a scientist, to want to learn more and explore more about who we are and what's in space, and we're hoping to get an inspiration for the next generation. SpaceIL puts science and scientific education in the center. If we'll talk about what happened when NASA first came to the moon, so we're talking about the Apollo effect, and we really want to make it in Israel. We want to recreate an Apollo effect in Israel. I think this project contributes to Israel's positive image as a startup nation. We want to make it that when people think of Israel, they think about the flag that landed on the moon, and how important was it for us to make it as a non-profit organization, and that's it.